Welcome to Unity Car. Are you ready to witness a car that doesn't just rule the roads but rules hearts too? Have you ever imagined that a 9-seater MPV could be this beautiful, this stunning, and this explosive in design? If not, then after seeing the 2025 Kia KA4, your entire thinking is about to change. This isn't a video you'll watch halfway and move on. This is the moment where you'll realize that cars aren't just about transport, they're about identity. Stay connected with Unity Car, because what you're about to see today is not ordinary, it's extraordinary. Let's start with the front exterior. That bold front grille challenges everything else on the road. Kia's signature tiger nose, but this time, even more powerful and aggressive. The LED headlamps look like someone turned light into artwork. The fine lines of the DRLs give the face a fierce yet sophisticated presence. The bonnet lines are carved like a sculpture, sharp, precise, and commanding. Every single angle of the 2025 KA4 reflects power, elegance, and prestige. Now let's shift to the side profile. The stunning 18-inch alloy wheels don't just move on the road, they glide. Chrome window linings elevate it from premium to royal. Sliding doors that are not just practical but stylish at the same time. The side mirrors come with integrated indicators, and their aerodynamic design speaks of speed and class without making a sound. Now the rear profile. Connected tail lights that, when lit up at night, look like something from the future. Kia's new logo in the center, with a subtle chrome garnish below, just like a diamond placed on a crown. The design of the 2025 KA4 isn't just about looks, it's built to slice through the wind. Its aerodynamic shape doesn't just make it faster but boosts fuel efficiency too. And yes, earlier it was known as the Kia Carnival. But the new KA4 doesn't just change the name, it redefines the entire identity. This is Kia's new, opposites united, design philosophy, where boldness and elegance walk hand in hand. If you want an MPV that makes people stop, stare, take pictures, and ask, hey, which car is this? Then the 2025 Kia KA4 is your answer. At Unity Car, we bring you glimpses of machines that turn heads and set new trends. Stay connected with the admin, because we bring you what no one else does. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe to the channel, and tell us in the comments, did the bold look of the 2025 Kia KA4 win your heart too? See you in the next video with another amazing ride. Until then, stay with Unity Car, where it's not just about cars, it's about passion.